this Carbontastic steering wheel is looking pretty awesome. As you can see here, the centerpiece here is stock Audi. It's got that Audi plastic and then this Audi kind of chromish design here. Carbontastic does make a centerpiece for the steering wheel, and I went ahead and ordered that piece, and I have it right here. I'm pretty excited to get this because it's just gonna give it that nice little touch, a nice little extra little bit that the steering wheel needs. And there it is, the Alcantara centerpiece with the red stitching on there. Look at that, it's gonna look so awesome, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this right now in my garage right here. It's gonna make it look so freaking good. I'm so excited to get this put on. Also a little nervous to get it put on because you know what? Dealing with the airbag, you never know, so wish me luck on this one, you guys. First thing we're gonna need to do is start the car because we gotta turn the steering wheel to access this little back piece right here. Let's get this cold start going for you on the V10 Audi R8. Y'all ready? Gotta love the sound of the V10. Now that the car died down a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this steering wheel. That should give me access to the back of the steering wheel here. Let's put cell phone camera right there. See that little square box? I need to get that removed, which was pretty easy to remove. Pulls right out like that. There, hopefully you guys can see that screw in there. It looks like I need some sort of star head screwdriver. So that is a T30. So I am unscrewing this first screw out of here. Let's flip it around and do the other side. With both screws undone, I should be able just to hopefully pull this off and it doesn't explode on my face. We don't want any explosion. And that should give you access to the back of the airbag and the electronics here. So let's try and unhook this stuff here. That little orange piece needs to be pulled out, and then it looks like one other connection that's stuffed up inside there. Thank you, Lord Jesus, no detonation on this. Now to the workbench to finish this installation. One thing that I want to point out is that I didn't really notice in any videos is I want to keep these pretty much facing the same way. Do you see how the airbag is down at the bottom? And I want to make sure this airbag right here is kind of kept at the bottom. So when I go to make the transfer, all I'm gonna have to do is transfer it from here and set it right back into this airbag cover here. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Hot Wheels Dad. If you like this content, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I have a whole playlist on the Audi R8 and all the other cars that I have. I will go ahead and add this video to that playlist. Check out my social pages, Hot Wheels Dad, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.